Hello everyone. Today I am going to finish planting out my saffron crocus bulbs. I planted about half of these already in a grow bag on my deck, and now so the crocus bulbs that I got them from Baker Creek. And what I'm doing is I'm planting them, spacing them out 4 inches apart, and then I'm also putting them down 4 inches deep. And then this pokey part, this is going to face up, and then the flat part I'm putting down. Okay, so I don't remember exactly when I pressed the record button and when I turned it off. So this may be just a little bit of a recap, but came outside here today. I really wanted to get my saffron crocuses in the ground. So I got that part done. And then I wanted to put some leaf grow compost, mix that in with the clay that I dug out for the holes for the bulbs. So I did that, and then just kind of mixed like the mulch and the compost and the clay dirt like kind of up in the area, and then grabbed some additional spent wood chip mulch from my grow bags that I had on the deck this summer and just added it here. So yeah, so hope. Here are my garden buddies today. If even a leaf moves, they start barking. So why am I growing saffron crocus? Well, I thought number one, it would be really cool. And number two, I thought it would be to harvest my own saffron and to give that as gifts or use it in my own cooking would be a neat thing to do as well. And I just have a hard time resisting planting something new and cool. I mean, like obviously I had to get the Egyptian walking onions and the elephant garlic, and so anyway, I've had my hands in the dirt this morning and this afternoon, and it's felt really good. The day is beautiful, the weather is beautiful, and it has just been very therapeutic out here, getting dirty and having my 2 garden buddies here with me. Where's the little dog? Where's that little dog? There he is. Bailey. Bailey. Hi, Bailey. So all I got done today were planting these saffron crocuses, which is totally fine. Well, actually it's Friday, so I did get my edging done. And if you want to hear more about that, I will put a video above where I talk about what I do to keep my lawn looking decent. If there's anything that you grow that you particularly love to give to other people that makes you feel like really good inside, I'd love to hear about that in the comments below. It's a great Friday, and I hope you all have a wonderful Friday as well, and I will talk to you again soon. Come here, Bailey. Come on. You're getting all wet. You're getting all wet. Now I'm going to have to get the towel out for you.